Wassup Flex, baby,
and we're back
to another video.
Today we're doing Chainsawman, the final episode, nigga.
Season finale.
Last episode,
you feel me?
Yo, they went to the end of the last one. It ain't right, gang.
Yo,
we can't let these anime studios get away with this, bro.
How you do?
cliffhangers.
These last episodes.
That's how they get you,
These last episode cliffhangers are not it though,
bro. It's the second season. Let's
You
not
gotta
even
wait
watch.
a whole year.
Let's not even watch the episode 12.
Watch Bleach 1000 Year Blood War
Yo,
Part
shut up.
1. They violated.
Shut up.
I watched that shit. They violated.
That's your fault.
Shit went crazy.
Should never watched it again.
Man.
Yeah, you should know better.
June though?
You be alright.
That is deep.
It is.
I might just wait to the part
Now you
2.
gotta wait anyways.
I know,
But
but
you might as well have
then.
it and you have all the content, but you live
Damn.
your life how you wanna, gang.
Bro, that shit was amazing though.
But anyways, y'all niggas is shy, so
Bro, you know the
Yo,
struggle.
make sure your mothers, your daughters, and sisters of age, you
Subscribe,
know, you gotta
subscribe,
subscribe to the
subscribe.
channel, support us, help us grow, all that good shit.
Now let's get into this episode.
Damn, nigga getting choked.
he's watching the future right now,
He has to be.
right?
I don't know what seeing the future's gonna do in that position.
Yo.
Future Mill?
Yeah.
You niggas seen the past, nigga.
You dying, bro. He's flashing right now.
Maybe in his future, he's
Nah.
seeing him.
In the afterlife?
No, he's seeing his flashbacks. You know what I'm saying? But he's still looking into the future though.
Oh, you know how you flash back and then you flash back into the past?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That shit sound like my high school caption. I flash in and I flash out. That shit was trash.
You ever seen Nah, never mind.
They having ramen though. I need some ramen. Y'all trying to get ramen tomorrow? Yo, we getting ramen? What's up with the ramen?
Bro, I was trying to get ramen today, bro. But that shit is $20 a bowl, bro.
From
You said $20 a bowl?
Yeah.
Yeah.
From where?
It's
Crying
crying?
rude and
Ain't no way. Wait,
what
what?
happened?
That nigga dropped his sword.
Wait, he stopped choking her? Oh, he cut her hand off. Right?
How? That nigga was getting choked.
How that nigga was being choked? He dropped the sword. Is Shorty dead?
They saw him crying and they let her go.
She's like, damn, this nigga's a bitch.
What
I
you
can't
doing,
feel
gang?
She died?
She
She
about to
died.
crack him.
Nah, she definitely died.
Wait, she's still here.
Wait, what?
What just happened?
What's going on?
She got his bitch.
Wait,
Hey, yo,
huh?
gang.
She giving him his leg.
She wanna make a contract with him?
Oh, the last cigarette? What the fuck?
Nigga, what the fuck?
What she doing here, gang?
Wait, she saw his baby?
This nigga about to smoke a cigarette from the devil.
That's
That was
the
just
cigarette
choking him?
Shorty died.
Yo, she's
Bro.
the cigarette devil.
Easy revenge.
What the fuck? I don't get it.
I don't get it either.
Wait, what's going on?
That's the cigarette devil.
I don't get it.
It's the cigarette devil. She making a contract and you can have
Wait.
you can have unlimited cigarettes.
They use fear to see.
Wait, what?
He doesn't fear it, I guess.
Wait, I'm still confused.
They can't see.
So why
How
did
you
it let
can't-
go though?
What the fuck?
He has no fear.
Imagine that nigga had fear when he was about to cut his neck. Bitch just grab him again. I'll be with you soon. Damn, nigga suicidal. Damn. I like not my devil.
The hell? But like, for real though, why it stop?
Yeah, why did it stop? That's what I'm trying to say.
She lost her feeling. Maybe she can't feel either. She can't feel the fear.
Oh, she probably remembers her memories because when she told her she could have everything, she really meant everything.
Damn. You're next, bitch. Yeah, that shit definitely skipped the intro.
Nah, that's crazy, bro.
You're next, bitch. Let's go.
I just standing there
Let's
again.
start running.
Who's that? Damn.
Dang.
don't kill her.
Yeah, she's insane. That's it.
I'm fucking dead.
He said Blaine should come up soon. That's wild.
That's why I'm a Whole Foods.
Nigga, what?
What the fuck you just said?
He said that's why he's in Whole Foods.
I'm dead.
You're getting a raise.
Yo! Damn. You don't see that?
That shit look like it's kind of
Why did they do this?
rotten. These niggas are fucking stupid. What the fuck?
You waiting for the elevator?
I guess. Yeah, I gotta get on the next one, gang.
Yo, go up, nigga.
Oh, you still here? Nigga, push. Yeah, she gonna make mine.
She wants to do some that shit.
I'd push her inside with them. Yeah, I'd just kick her inside and let her fight.
Yo!
Yeah, facts.
This is just to go fight alone.
She still haven't noticed that he's not with her?
Of course not. The elevator just closed. That's it.
Bro. I'd have been noticed again.
Bro, they were supposed to split up, first of all.
I mean, you right.
They're best friends.
But she said, then she pull up though.
Yeah, he mounted it.
Think about to see.
Where's the axe, though?
Yeah, he was like, fuck it, I don't need it no more. Oh. I'm crying.
Nigga, you been talking about killing me. I've been sneezing all day. Fuck.
Yeah, this nigga's mad taunting, bro.
Nigga said, nah.
Nigga, that's mad high.
I
You
mean,
scared from my back. Yo.
they be alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. Damn. Oh nah. Damn. Okay. These niggas going at it. Nah, that nigga mad quick though.
I mean, he is pressing.
True.
Your boy isn't. They just
That
get.
nigga not letting him get up too. Not the CDI.
To get
What every man fights for, bro. Just a pussy.
Speak for yourself. I'm letting the pussy fight for me.
What the
Damn. Nah, what the
Where you
fuck?
just- Yo, imagine that was on your chain, Curly.
My chain. I didn't do.
I'm out, gang.
I'm like, nigga, what the fuck?
Damn.
You're
That shit about to be our service for mad long, bro. Niggas is not. What the fuck?
Damn. What's good with you,
Shorty,
shorty?
why is she laying down there?
She's trying to get some dick.
Nigga, what?
Oh, nah.
Damn.
She got
Why are
some-
you just laying there,
She
bro?
got a nut on her face.
But why is she laying there first of all?
Because she
She
fell.
thought she could,
Nigga, she was just laying there.
She fell.
Yeah, she just was laying there.
She's traumatized.
she was shocked, bro.
Whatever, bro. Damn, again?
Both arms is crazy.
How the fuck he win this shit?
He's done fast.
I'm talking about Denji.
Oh.
I think he ain't got no arms.
He did some neck shit.
He learned how to regrow his arms mad quick.
He turned his legs into chainsaws.
Oh no. Everybody be running in the floor.
Nah, that's OD.
Everybody uses dick.
Shit about it. Oh.
I was right.
Right about what?
Shit.
Didn't you see his legs? It was a chainsaw.
He had a chainsaw leg, bro.
Yeah.
What? Hey.
I swear to God, bro.
I didn't see it.
It's just a leg with a chainsaw in it.
Yeah, pretty much.
I missed it.
You go back later, bro.
No, I actually wanted to go back to last episode, but I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna fuck this shit up.
Who is that?
That's the nigga that just lost. No, nigga, she threw up in your mouth. That's already out the window with me.
Bro, she was about to give him some pussy, bro.
She already ruined the impression though. And we became best friends too? Nah, that's wild.
Sure. You ever have a gun game?
You're talking about just hitting him in the nuts, maybe.
I think it's good to rock to him.
This guy literally almost died, bro.
But I mean, he is the only human. I ain't gonna hold you.
Yeah, you can't keep up with dummies like that.
It's up the other nigga. I don't know what that nigga's on.
Nigga said, wait. So I told y'all they wasn't gonna use actual guns. They took about like punching the nigga or whatever. Nigga rolled up his sleeves.
Like, what is the concept of this, bro?
That's what I'm saying. And
You
she can't touch
angel,
nobody,
so
right?
Came with a devil?
I feel like I got the same vibe as these niggas. I keep yawning. I be at work yawning. Niggas be talking to me. I be yawning. I'm like, yo, what the
I'm
fuck?
fucking dead, bro.
Yo.
Directly
I'm
on the
dead,
floor.
bro.
Nigga is yelling.
This nigga's wild. This nigga, bro. Yo!
Oh,
What the fuck? God damn. No.
Oh, shit. That's next season, gang.
Yeah. When is that? December?
Definitely after Bleach.
It's hard.
Yeah, at least September.
Damn, bruh.
Yeah. That's one thing that's good.
Alright. Damn, bruh. Like season?
Why are they trying to make it look good?
Yeah, I ain't watching this with y'all next season.
Why?
Yeah, I did.
How?
Especially you.
Bro, they trying to make her look good, son. I don't like that. He's trying to make power look good.
How long does he have to live, bro?
She's an idiot though.
A few years, I think.
Sure. So you got a different sword, right?
I don't know.
Cause there ain't no way. That nigga was.
I think he has to call her power. To use her power. Or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, nigga was just wild on his sword. That's it. Ain't no way that's it. Of course. And she about to come to him. About to talk to her, bro.
And they don't fuck.
What?
Hmm?
Damn, that's a crazy imagination. She's dead, bro.
She's dead, bro.
It really don't matter.
It do.
It's the revenge part that matters.
You about to smoke that, what's the name again?
That hear me no.
Pack, bro.
Hear me no back.
Damn, bro. It's crazy. Would you ever let a nigga smoke your ashes, bro? Like, you be cool with that?
I'm like, nigga,
That's
don't
some
waste
wild,
me.
Weird shit, bro.
Oh, yo, why you wasting me, nigga? Like, yo, let my ashes live. Damn.
That's how the first episode started.
Some wild shit.
You about to show us what happened? Gotta show the Spanish. Okay.
Tickle you. The fuck?
Does that
How
mean?
much time is in
Is
this
that-
shit? What the fuck?
Is that part of like?
Yeah, he unlock his
Devil?
power. He unlock the full power of the devil if he does.
Nigga, I don't know.
He gonna open the next
He
season game.
dead ass.
He about to open that shit again.
He definitely opening
He
it.
about to start wilding.
He need to open something else too. Cause what the fuck is he doing? Wasting time. Open some pause in there.
Nigga, what?
What the hell with that?
Rather be what?
A country mouse or a city mouse?
I would be probably a country mouse. I feel like it's more clean. I'll be more healthy.
You be feasting.
Dead
All the
ass.
crops.
Dead ass be.
No cats.
Nah, there's definitely no cats. Unless they get a cat.
You just gotta not get crazy with it.
I mean, I don't even have to live. Yeah, country mouse. That's what it's at. What you said?
You don't have to live with nobody.
What?
What?
You don't have to live with nobody.
Yeah, I know.
Just be robbing as a mouse.
Yeah, country mouse.
Yeah.
And I'm more clean.
This nigga tired. He falling asleep. Yo, you going home, gang?
Of course I'm going home. I
Anyways,
like my bed. I cannot sleep on this couch.
He gonna sleep in the car at the red light.
Nigga, what?
don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you thought of the episode. You know what I'm saying?
Let me take a second to die.
Yeah, he's kind of spitting. And Shadi said,
Don't die, bro.
I'm gonna try my best.
Catch you in the next season, gang.